Good morning and welcome to day 11. I think I should be day 11. I hope you're doing good. I am doing fantastic. Oh well, I had a terrible night of sleep. Nothing new, I would say, but it is absolutely gorgeous out. It is 22 degrees Celsius, 21.5. So it is super nice, and that's why we are just that's why we go into Moskose. So we just left Gällivare or something, however you pronounce this, and go into Moskose and go on a campsite there. So we bought some food, we bought some mosquito repellent, we bought the anti-mosquito hat, so with like a net and stuff like this. But we should be good and well prepared, you know. Let's hope, you know. But you know, I'm so looking forward to this. This is just under 3 hours now, 2 hours and 59 minutes, 220 kilometers, so not a lot today. The forecast at the location, of course, it's rain, you know, but we'll see, you know. I'm just excited to finally do this. So I also checked my tire pressure. So on the front it's 2.4, and the back it's 2.6 according to the BMW device here. So at the gas station I was at 3.2 according to the measurements, which is weird. I couldn't fit in to add any pressure, like the device, it wasn't working for the back because it was a weird mechanic. So and all like steel, so I couldn't make it fit, and I didn't want to break the, I don't know, the valve or something. So yeah, I would like to add 0.4 in the back and 0.6 or 0.4 in the front as well. So I will probably check out a different gas station once we see it. And yeah, but so far we are just on the road enjoying the nice weather. You know, it's for my gear that I currently have, it is way too warm. It is way too warm because, you know, I have the Dainese Antarctica, and it's more like for cold weather riding. You know, I tell you, I have all the vents open and just a t-shirt under it. So yeah, could be a smidge colder, but you know, first I complain about being too cold, then I complain about being too hot. You know, you can't satisfy me. But anyway, I will check in with you. I think because it's all the same, it's gonna be the E45 today. So nothing spectacular. So that's why I will check in with you at the campsite. Until then, have a good one. Until the next update, you know. just crossed Arctic Circle again. Very unspectacular on the E45. E45, yes. So now the sun should set a bit more. Let's hope so. So this campsite was a bust. Somehow Google sent me to a completely wrong location. So in the end I messed it up because Google just, used what I put in. But we passed the original campsite. So now we're going to a different one, which adds another 50 kilometers to the trip. And we need to go all the way back to this worst thing, nightmare of road. So if you have an ATV, yes, be happy. But if not, riding this on a motorcycle is not the easiest. Like, at least with a passenger alone I wouldn't have any or so much issues, because then you can stand up and completely plan and ride differently. So also stay away from your front brake. So we found a small little spot. We're currently exploring if it's suitable or not for us to camp. What is it? Looks like storage of firewood. Okay. We have more firewood under the roof here. You can obviously sit inside and have like a barbecue or something. And then there's a nice lake here. But then the rest we are not sure what it is, but there's no sign to camp, so we could definitely pitch our tent here somewhere between under those rocks. And now yes. So yeah, let's see and hear what he has to say. So this place was a no. If you don't feel it, we don't stay there. So you need to 100% feel it that you like the place. And yes, so yeah, we continue onwards. It's 52 to the other place. There are probably more lakes in between, so we'll see if we can find anything. So yeah, let's hope. We're definitely not booking a hotel today, so that's for sure. But going down more 50 kilometers, it's good, because then we actually make also some distance today. So, and it doesn't feel like this. So yeah, super happy with this. But I'm I'm done, you know. I'm sweating. And because it's so dark here with the trees, you don't see the potholes. So yeah, let's hope we find a good place with a good space for the tent. Hello everyone, update. We found the camping spot. So it's basically the main road-ish, kind of like a small gravel road, comes from here, leads into this space, and then on the left you have like a small shelter where you can sit when it rains, have a fire. There's also some spare wood, and then you have this beautiful lake over here. So yeah, there's a house there, so we are not that close to the house, so we are following the every month's law, so it's like 100 meters away. And then you have this lake, you have multiple spots where you can put up a tent. We were clearing this area that right now from some wood and stuff, so we put our tent behind the cabin. And yeah, it's not the greatest area to fish because of all the seagrass and seaweed, whatever there is. So your hook can get stuck. But you have multiple areas where you can go into water, take a swim. It's absolutely beautiful. It's like 25 degrees Celsius right now. The water is warm as well. And once I set up the tent in a second, I will also I thought it was a fish. Get my drone out and show you the area. So yeah, we made it. It took 5 hours, something, 308 kilometers in the end. So yeah, there's also a small boat, not ours. So yeah, it's pretty good, and there are at the moment no mosquitoes. So let's hope it will stay like this. But anyway, head over to the drone shots. Talk to you at day 12, or maybe when I will see. Drone shots now. So, last update for today, for day 11. Tent is here, and the inflatable mattress as well, inflatable pillows as well, some gear, more stuff. Then we have a biofuel grill from BioLite, super good, and there's enough dead wood here to keep it going. It worked like a charm. It shouldn't smoke that much because it's probably there's like some wet wood included. Then we have all the power banks out right now to charge all the stuff. We have the extra stove with gas to cook some rice. And yeah, that's basically it. That's our shelter for today, and that's gonna be like dinner chicken with some rice, and yeah, that's it. And for tomorrow morning we have something else. But it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm sweating bullets. It is fantastic. We had some encounters with reindeers already. came along the driveway, yeah, and saw me, looked up, and was like, holy hell, and went away. So yeah, smoking is like it's barbecue now, or like smoked chicken. Anyway, that's it for today. Finally camping. I will take a swim tomorrow morning, maybe. And yeah, looking forward to the night and to some good night's sleep and so on. Hopefully it's gonna be good. Yeah, have a good one. Have an awesome Have an awesome day. Day 11 turned out pretty good. So yeah, talk to you at day 12. Talk to you tomorrow, I guess. Have a good one.